Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two dash cameras that will leave you with no doubts about which one to choose. On the left, we have the Focusway Dash Cam Front Rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and on the right, we have the Miton S7 Dual Dash Camera. Let's dive right into it.
When it comes to capturing every detail on the road, video quality is key.
The Focusway Dashcam offers stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution for its front camera, ensuring that you don't miss a single license plate or road sign.
Meanwhile, the Miton S7 brings you an impressive 2.5K front video and full HD 1080p rear video. It's like having a personal videographer in your car. Now let's talk about the field of view. The Focusway Dashcam comes with a wide-angle lens that covers 3 channels, providing you with an expansive view of the road. On the other hand, the Miton S7 offers a 176 degrees wide-angle front camera and a 160 degrees wide-angle waterproof rear camera. No blind spots here. Driving at night can be challenging, but not with these dash cameras. The Focusway Dashcam features advanced Sony STAR-VIS sensor technology, combined with a large aperture lens and WDRG, ensuring excellent visibility even in low-light conditions. The Miton S7 also boasts super night vision capabilities, capturing clear details like license plate numbers. Say goodbye to those blurry night shots. Now let's talk about connectivity. The Focusway Dashcam comes with 5 GHz Wi-Fi, providing faster and more efficient performance compared to traditional 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi.
You can effortlessly preview and download videos using the free app and easily share your journeys with friends on social media.
The Miton S7 offers easy installation and setup, along with a free USB card reader for convenient video playback.
Parking can be a nightmare, but not with these dash cameras.
The Focusway Dashcam offers 24-hour parking monitoring with collision detection and time-lapse recording modes. It even comes with a dedicated hardwire kit for added convenience. The Miton S7 also features a parking monitor that automatically turns on and starts recording when it detects vibrations. Your car will be protected around the clock. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The Focusway Dashcam comes in at $159, offering top-of-the-line features and performance.
On the other hand, the Miton S7 comes in at just $69, giving you excellent value for your money. It's like finding a hidden treasure.
After analyzing multiple Amazon reviews, here's the overall assessment. Reviewers say that the Focusway Dashcam is praised for its easy setup, high picture quality for both front and rear cameras, good hardware quality, and reasonable price.
On the other hand, the Miton S7 is highly recommended for its exceptional video quality, easy installation, wide-angle lens, seamless loop recording, user-friendly interface, and parking mode feature.
Both dash cameras have received positive feedback from customers. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Focusway Dashcam Front Rear 4K, built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and the Miton S7 Dual Dash Camera in various categories. Both cameras have their strengths, but it's clear that the Focusway Dashcam takes the lead with its 4K Ultra HD resolution, wider field of view, and advanced features like voice control and GPS tracking.
However, if you're on a budget, the Miton S7 offers an excellent alternative with its great video quality and affordable price. Ultimately, the choice is yours.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons. Stay smart, folks!